Hey, I'd like to welcome you to another episode of the Mission Matters Money podcast, your source for all things money. My name is Adam Torres. You can follow me on Instagram at askadamtorres to keep up with my book releases, book tour schedule, signings, all that other good stuff. Always love to connect with you there. And as always, if you'd like to apply to become a co-author of one of my upcoming books, just head on over to the website, missionmatters.com, and click on Become an Author to apply. All right, so today I have Sri Ramaswamy on the line, and she's founder and CEO over at Infinilytics. Sri, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Adam. Thank you.
So excited to get into today's topic. So insurance premiums, what the everyday consumer can do to mitigate that risk. But before we do that, let's get a little bit further into what you're doing over at Infinilytics. Tell us a little bit more about the company, please.
Sure. So at Infinilytics, we provide artificial intelligence solutions to optimize the claim costs right from when it arrives to the time when the end users or the insureds get paid. And we are solving the industry's $150 billion problem that translates into premiums for policyholders like you and I.
So let's get into today's topic. So what can the everyday consumer do to mitigate that risk in rising insurance premiums?
And one of the things I always say to all policyholders is, definitely insurance is a regulated business. It's a mandatory requirement for all of us to have insurance of, all sorts today in everything that we do. We live, we eat, we buy. So it becomes important to understand where the costs are coming from and to understand why the premiums are always on the rise. A big portion of this is your insurance company and their ability to be able to, inform you what those costs are comprised of. One of the portions that actually translates into that is the insurance company's very manual processes, their inability to look at, fraud, at the very beginning, at the onset of the claim, and also to prevent some of those claims from going into litigation. Because all of these things translate into higher premiums that we all pay, everybody pays. So as a policyholder, I would definitely question my insurance company why the premiums are raising and what they are going to do about, these nuances that increase their premium. So I would say that is key as a policyholder to know. If you have a credit card and somebody uses your credit card, and if you're not informed by your credit card company, would you actually be okay to pay on, if somebody else uses your card? The answer is no. So then why are we allowing that on the insurance side?
Yeah, I think that makes a lot of sense. What are some of the other things that the consumer can do? Because so they can obviously go to their the company that they're with and ask them what they have. But is there anything else they can do?
I would definitely start with looking at what are the anti-fraud programs and some of the technologies the companies are using to combat, the emotional standpoints. Also understand what is the claims process? What are the things that, if you ever get into a claim, what are the things that did not go well for them? And start to kind of report that. It's important for others to understand and to learn from your process, learn from something that has not gone right for you. It's important to understand that. And so people are aware, and we're not looking at this as, oh my God, it's an insurance company, I can't do anything about it. Mm-hmm. No, you can do something about it. There are Department of Insurance organizations in every state, and you can definitely pick up the call and tell them what did not go well for you. And that is, I would say, the best thing a consumer can do.
Is there anything, you just have a unique vantage point, the space that you're working in. Is there anything else that you're seeing in terms of trends in either in InsurTech or anything that you just find interesting going on?
What I'm seeing is new models that are emerging, that are even going beyond the traditional insurance companies' ability to handle. So I'm seeing new things that are coming up, like, you have a Tesla car, or you have an IoT device, or you have even your, thing that you buy on Amazon. The consumers are expecting those the convenience in today's lifestyle that they're experiencing. They want to see that in insurance. They want to see that, they're given more on-demand products. When you're buying your product, I want to be able to buy liability insurance right there. And I want to be able to deal only with my car manufacturer if something goes wrong, So we're going to change the landscape because insurance companies have to now embrace, many optimization and cost reductions on their side. They can handle yesterday's claims and yesterday's coverages and get prepared more for tomorrow's coverages and tomorrow's products and tomorrow's new set of consumers. So I think I'm seeing that shift. I'm seeing that trend go over, which is, I think, good. But I think the insurance companies need to embrace more insurtech so they can get help not just from one insurtech, but it's going to have to be an ecosystem of not just insurance carriers and insurtech, but also several others. So imagine, like, if I have a property insurance and my roof falls down, why would I want my insurance company to be involved only at that time and only for paying a claim or denying a claim? Why can't my insurance company refer me to a roofing guy who can give me a discount and work with me? So it's the thought process, of I'm a startup myself, and in order to do business, I have to buy 3 different kinds of insurance. I have no single claim for the last 3 years, and I'm questioning myself, do I know the insurance company? No, I don't even know which insurance company I have the insurance with. My agent sees me once a year, and I've already put in, several thousands of $30,000 to be precise with no claim, and I'm questioning, what is the value add?
I love it. No, I love it. It's a great explanation of the industry, what's going on, and these are, and everything that you're saying are the things that plague or are on the minds of all the business owners that are out there listening right now. So that's awesome.
Absolutely.
So Sri, if somebody's listening to this and they want more information on Infinilytics, what's the best way for them to reach out and to get that info?
The best way is to reach out on our website. Go to our website, www.infinilytics.com. Or email info@infinilytics.com, or they can call 844-826-6906 and leave a message, and we will definitely call you back with more information. And, we want everybody to be part of this change in the insurance industry.
Love it. And me too. I mean, it gets all our premiums down. So I like having you out there working. And so thank you again, Sri, for coming on the show. It's been great talking to you. And to the audience, as always, thank you for tuning in. Hope you got a lot of value out of this. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast. Leave me a review on the Apple iTunes Store. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel, Mission Matters Money, then definitely give us a subscribe there, but also leave us some comments in the comment section of the video. Love to hear your thought process and keep the conversation going. And Sri, thanks again for coming on the show.